Question: how does online documentation work on a Mac computer? If you're using Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or any Microsoft Office programs, even though they might look different on a PC versus a Mac, they still work the same way in OneDrive and Google Docs. They will recognize your Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. documents. But what if you're using the Microsoft Office equivalent in Apple? For instance, the equivalent for Excel is Numbers, the equivalent for PowerPoint is Keynote, and the equivalent for Word is Pages. So let's go ahead and close this Excel document. Let's go ahead and open Keynote. As you can see, it looks a lot like PowerPoint. Let's just open a standard presentation, and I'll save this as a standard presentation. Well, let's put something in it first. Go to File, Save, and I'm going to save it to Documents, and I'll tap Save. Now let's go to OneDrive and see what happens. OneDrive.com. I'm going to log in with my account. And this time, let's create a new folder so we can see exactly where it goes. Going to name the folder AAA so it'll be easy to find. And within the folder, I'll upload the Keynote document. And here is the Keynote document, keynotepedagogy.key. Let's see if we can open it. And it appears that OneDrive does recognize the Apple versions of Microsoft Office. Let's see if we can do the same thing with Google Docs. Let's create a new folder like we did before. I'll just call it AAAA. And within the folder, let's upload that same thing. We'll go to New, File Upload, Keynote Pedagogy, and the file uploaded. Let's tap it and see what happens. And note that it does recognize it here in Google Docs as well. You can see the preview on the right hand side. We can double tap to open it all the way, and we could read it within Google Docs as well. And we can download it. We can't edit this document within Google Docs though. Let's see what open with. We might have to connect with other apps to make it openable in Google Docs. We'll have to figure out a way to convert it in order to edit it while it's in Google Docs. But another option, if you do want to edit anything you upload, is just to convert the Apple product to a Microsoft product and then upload it. Actually, the same appears to be true in OneDrive. I'm back in OneDrive right now. We can download it, we can share it, we can embed it, but we can't really edit it. We would need to, once again, same thing with OneDrive, we have to convert it first. For instance, I'm back in Keynote right now. I can go to File, Export to PowerPoint. And once it's a recognized Microsoft PowerPoint file, then it will be better recognized by OneDrive and Google Drive. Well, actually, Google Drive really won't allow you to edit PowerPoint, but once it's a PowerPoint in Google Drive, then you can convert it. Actually, let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to download this as a PowerPoint. We'll call it Keynote Pedagogy PowerPoint this time. And export. Okay, so it's creating a PowerPoint file, and that'll work just fine in OneDrive. We'll go back to our A folder, and we'll upload Keynote Pedagogy PowerPoint. And note the P there, it recognizes it as a PowerPoint file. And when we double click, we can see it. But then notice our option here at the top, we can open with Google Slides. So once it's converted to Google Slides, then we can edit it while we're online.